KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat baganet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jongpi
Lamphang jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla ba met ba lingdo ha kala ski ublei jong khat pratrik uyayong arajar arpuar ula play perdai ga lempung ilekai table tennis kabala tip kum ka 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship ya kabala pelong ha Indoor Training Center jong ka Sports Authority of India kabadan ha Plie jong school ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong ha kini ga lempung ya khun kidon khat saungut kirang ba kithai lekai kibala mi khmat ya ka Jylla Meghalaya bat kanthop ya ka Tanushri Das Gupta kabala yok khor ya ka takmak ser ha ka North East Olympics kabala long ha usnam arajar khat pra kidon sauspa san phongut kirang ba kithai lekai kibala wan na kelengkri India bani shimanta ha kini ka lempung lekai ha kini ka singi play kini ka lempung lekai la sakhilang da Menteri Katnat Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Jylla ba bantai dor lingdo ha kini ka khlepman barok kini shimanta kila pelong ya ka jings kapjar ka arminet kum kadak ban burome ka mensiem balaklano jong wei orang ilekai na Chennai udi vishwa ubladu la ka jing em ha ka jing to ko kali ha ka singi ublei ha ka snong sang bangla ka badan Hariboy district.
With profound grief and sorrow, I deeply mourn the sad and sudden demise of late Dina Dayalan Biswa of Tamil Nadu, who met with a tragic road accident at Shangbangla in Hariboy district on Sunday, the 17th April 2022 at around 1:30 on his way to Shillong to participate in the 83rd Senior National and Interstate Championship scheduled to be held at Sai Campus Nehru, Shillong, Meghalaya from 18th to 25th April 2022. At such a young age, he was a promising Indian table tennis player, and his passing away is not only a loss to his parents, family members, relatives and friends, but also a great loss for the sporting fraternity in our country. His contributions to table tennis would always be remembered and cherished. In this moment of grief, I, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, with heavy heart, convey our sincere and heartfelt condolence to the parents and all the family members of the departed soul. I pray that the Almighty grant strength and solace at this moment of grief to bear this irreparable loss. We want to promote sports in our state. That's why this championship was held here. Actually, this championship was supposed to have before last 3-4 months back. But because all we know that the pandemic has disturbed us, affect us, that's why we are conducting today. Friends, I would like to inform you also, the Meghalaya government will be organized again from the sports department for the Meghalaya game again, which we had a Meghalaya game in 2018-19. But again, we'll be having a Meghalaya game by the end of this month, on the month of May. At the same time also, we are going to organize the North East Olympics before the end of this year, October and November of this year. So that we can see the promoting and motivate, encourage our youth to excel in sport fraternity.
To see all the youth participants from all the states in the country who have come a long way from their respective states to be here in Shillong and to participate in this 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship. I wish all of you the very best. And thanks to the media, print and electronic as well, for covering this very important event where we can spread the message to the rest of the country about this important event which is being held here in Shillong. I'm very delighted and very glad to inaugurate this 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship, which is being organized by the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association in collaboration with the state government through the Sports and Youth Affairs Department. I was shocked to receive a very sad news yesterday in the evening about this very unfortunate and sad incident that took place in Shambangla, about the accident which took place where one of the participants from Tamil Nadu, Mr. Vishwa Dinayalan, who's just an 18-year-old boy and who is also a very promising player, and where his car met with an accident with another truck, and where he has to face the untimely death at this very young age. I also would like to take part with others in condoling my deepest condolences to all the family members of Mr. Vishwa, and also my condolences to the entire team from Tamil Nadu. Let me at the outset appreciate the efforts of the state table tennis associations for hosting this national level tournament in Shillong. I am told that this is the second national tournament which is being held in Shillong within the northeastern states. And I'm sure that all of you know well about Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, our state, and well you are here in this state, which I'm sure that most of you must be the first time in this place. I am informed that so far the Table Tennis Association has organized 2 national level, as I have said just now, and they have also organized 2 international level table tennis also in Shillong by ensuring maximum participations. I believe that it was the success conduct of these past tournaments which prompted the Table Tennis Association of India to entrust the conduct of this tournament with the state association. I am really proud to see that again the Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs and his department are gearing up the different activities and has really performed to the mark where the all India level different associations has seen that these success stories of different tournaments have really put faith on them to enter such kind of tournaments. With from different places of the country and are taking part in this tournament, which I am been informed that around 450 participants, if I'm not wrong, you are here today to participate along with all your coaches, your managers, your technical people and others who are accompanying the different teams from different states. It is said that the popular indoor game of table tennis is among the fastest game played in the world today. Though it is field and is confined to a table in a room, it has been scientifically proven that playing table tennis enhances players' brain activity faster than other sports. We are yet to ensure the participation of players from the lower income families. There may be very talented players in villages, in the rural areas, but financial difficulties, lack of awareness, or absence of good training, or a platform where they can display their talent may be preventing them from coming forward to play for this game. However, with such events happening in the state, it will be encouraged that the district sports association in our states has to put on efforts to reach to the rural youth. I'm sure that most of the participants here who are in this hall today comes or hails from the rural areas of your respective states. I'm very sure about it. So therefore, the platform where we have to open up in the rural areas is the need of the hour for all of us. I request the state government, to the Honorable Minister, to stress on how we open up the door for the rural youth. I also welcome all the participants of this tournament and wish all of them success.
For the last 2-3 weeks, we've been preparing well for the national championship. So now we have Delhi, so we are quite confident with them. So we are the group toppers in the group, so we hope to play well and win the match. It's my first time to Shillong. It's a very beautiful place, and we hope to play well and win something. So it would be memorable for us. I've been playing from 2007 when I was 7 years old, and I've played a lot of international tournaments, national tournaments. Yeah, international. I've participated in a lot of international tournaments. Recently, I participated in Doha, and in Muscat we won. We reached semi-finals in doubles.